I know that you're a lot into health. हम अभी ऑफ कैमरा बात कर रहे थे, right? Then you said कि habit is the ritual. So what does your day look like?
So it has evolved over time, right? I think I have always imbibed, or again, one of the things that I would always want to think of, let's just say entrepreneurship, is let's say a good, body, a good, healthy, toned body is something that I would always want to seek for. And I think based on the time, जितना टाइम मैं दे पाया अपने लाइफस्टाइल में और अपनी ज़िंदगी में, तो कम ही टाइम दे पाया टिल सर्टन पॉइंट इन लाइफ. जब नौकरी कर रहे थे, स्टार्टअप बनाने की सोच रहे थे, इतना टाइम नहीं दे पाए, राइट? जब जब डेल में ज्वाइन किया था, थोड़ा टाइम फ्री था तो जिम चले गए थे, तो बीच बीच में किया. बट नाउ आई थिंक इट हैज़ ओवर द लास्ट 1.5 years it has picked up a lot for me, because one, now there's a lot of science around it, there's a lot of data around it, and I'm reading and figuring out a lot of data with Ultrahuman, with Whoop, with Apple Watch. You're getting those signals,
Right.
and now you can gamify a bit of it, right? So I think, and one more thing, which is, I don't know, organically or inorganically it has happened, that now for me a day looks bad if I am not in the gym.
Wow.
It is somehow wired कि यार अगर मैं जिम में नहीं जा रहा ना तो मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. आई एम अ लिटिल groggy in the day, I'm not feeling up to the mark, I'm not enjoying the day as much. So hence it has now become a accustomed कि अगर वहाँ जाएंगे तो फिर एक्शन में और मज़ा आएगा.
ठीक है.
And hence it has wired up for me, and it and then around it, eating the right things. So I think travel also helped me a lot. So there was a time when I traveled, and when I travel, it's very busy. I'm meeting after meeting after meeting.
Traveling for work.
Right? So उसमें क्या हुआ? I have already been in days where there could be days where I'm just surviving. Maybe a bar, and a nutri bar, whatever, and then possibly a little bite in the night, almost just surviving the day. So that totally got me down to zero. Ki now let's rebuild. So I went to that portion of life where I almost had nothing, almost fasting days, and I figured out कि अब ये थोड़ा सा डाल रहे हैं तो इसका इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है.
Correct.
अब ये खा रहे हैं तो थोड़ा इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है. And then obviously matching it through some data also, what is working for you. And there's, I think, a mental state when you are thinking about it, that everything, and if you map out the reaction to your day with what you're eating, and if you try to connect, there's a connect.
100%.
People don't see that.
Yeah.
But when you start mapping it, so now I know what to eat, what not to eat, how much to eat.
तो कैसे करते हो आप? जैसे जैसे टेक अस थ्रू योर डे, राइट? इतने बजे उठे, ये किया, खाना अभी आपने सोच लिया है, तो क्या खाते हो जनरली?
या सो फ्रैंकली जब मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, मैं सुबह उठते ही मतलब आधे घंटे में जिम जब जाता हूँ. आई गेट अप एट 7:35 आफ्टर ड्रॉपिंग माई डॉटर टू स्कूल बस. From 7:30 to 7:38, 7:38 to 7:40 I'm in the gym.
Okay.
हाँ, तो फिक्स है. तो मैं जिम पहुँच जाता हूँ. जिम is clearly till 9 I'm in the gym, right? And then as soon as I'm out of it, and I'll have a banana before the gym. That's good enough for me to get the energy. And then after the gym, it's very clear that I'll have a breakfast that I like. Very clear, right? With eggs.
Which is generally?
Which is changing every day. So every day it has to be different. And I have kept it as simple as possible, which is कभी पराठा भी होगा, कभी डोसा भी होगा, कभी चने की टिक्की भी होगी. So everything, कभी सैंडविच भी होगा, but all things healthy, all things made at home, right? Avocado toast भी होगा, but that's the breakfast that I will have, along with my eggs, along with my whey, right? That's how the day starts. Then I'll have a few juices, those health juices and stuff which are mixed green color के होते हैं, पता नहीं कौन बनाता है, but they're nice, right? So they give a lot of those ingredients. I'll have a fruit bowl in the office at around 11. That's fixed. I'll have my creatine, which will run till 1, along with a black coffee, which will run. So two things, one black
Keep
coffee,
sipping,
one, I keep intermingling between the two. तो वो चलता रहता है till 1 or 2, till 3 rather. Right, I'll have so वो हो गया हमारा fruit break. Then 3 I have my lunch around 2:45 to 3:15. 15 minutes, I'll have my lunch, which is typically more of pulses and less of carbs, right? Reduce carbs there and salad. That's the lunch. Then towards the evening, I'll have eggs again, and I'll have again hardly any carbs, but a little bit of more protein. So I might have another whey or a bit of sprouts, right? That's it. And that's the thing. I also might have a few of these things, since you talked about health, maybe magnesium in the night, and in the morning those multivitamins and omega-3. That's the day.
Wow. It's every day.
Yeah.
Even if you're traveling.
Even if I travel, I at least keep the basics. So now I think Rashi was joking that this has now become everywhere. So I was with her in Bangalore, Mumbai last week. This was with me all the time. ये wiring करनी पड़ी, because earlier it was not.
Right.
But over the last 1 year, since I've picked up a bit on it, and I'm loving that. So I've picked it up. कि भी करना पड़ेगा अगर करना है तो.
And I was telling you this before we started shooting also, that even at 8:30 you are looking super pumped, right? So is the food the source of that energy, or like where is this energy at so late in the day coming from?
It's 10 p.m. Huh? 10 बजा दिए आज. Yeah, I think I don't think so that it is the food, because it has to be very deep core within, that whatever you're doing, if you're enjoying, then it is energy, right? So I think I don't spend time into doing anything which I'm not enjoying.
Even on a micro level, let's say you enjoy building this business,
Correct.
but you don't enjoy, let's say, accounting, hypothetically.
I don't do it.
You don't do it.
मैं वो कोई भी काम नहीं करता जो मुझे नहीं पसंद.
Very interesting.
हाँ, सारा चीज़ जो भी मुझे नहीं पसंद, वो मैं धीरे धीरे एंड दैट्स ऑल्सो ट्रांजिशन. ऑब्वियसली पहले ये बहुत टफ होता है ये करना. पहले 2-3 साल आई कुड नॉट हैव आउटसोर्स्ड एनीथिंग, क्योंकि हर चीज़ बहुत ही आप वो एनल होते हो हर चीज़ करने के लिए. ये मेरी तरीके से मैं ही कर लूँगा, मैं ये बेस्ट हूँ, क्योंकि दूसरे को दूंगा यार वो फिर टाइम लगेगा. बट आई थिंक it's slowly very important to kind of give away a lot of those things so that you focus on what you like to do. I think which is what I have totally started doing. मैं सिर्फ वही चीज़ें करता हूँ जो मुझे अच्छी लगती हैं, जो कि ऑब्वियसली बिजनेस को भी हेल्प कर रही है, बट मुझे अच्छी लगती हैं, और उससे मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ, तो मज़ा आता है. एंड दैट्स द रियल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. पिक प्रॉब्लम्स, येस, नोबडी इन द बिजनेस वुड लाइक दोस, बट मुझे वो सॉल्व करने में मज़ा आएगा, तो ठीक है, मैं ही वो पकड़ लेता हूँ.
Correct.
Yeah.